Job of the day. I'm gonna do my best to straighten this trailer. This corner down here is pretty low, so I'm gonna jack it up, but I need to cut this whole tongue off. I built that tongue yesterday, so I need to install it and then do a once over on this trailer, make sure everything's good, and rewire the front. Let's get to it. All right, taking all the wiring out. I got the main wiring out of the tubing, so I'm just gonna cut this flush off and then start cleaning up all the excess material and get it out. Let's get it. All right, I got the front out, the front welded here. I need to take off that back piece now. Let's get to it. Yeah, driver's side's all cleaned up. Passenger side cleaned. I'm gonna try and straighten this trailer out as much as I can. Driver's side corner is pretty well down. I'm gonna put the forklift forks on the passenger side corner and then use my 20-ton jack and jack that front up. See if I can bend the frame back. We'll bend it as straight as we can, and I'll push this down. All right, I got the 20-ton jack going up. See if I can tweak this trailer frame back to where it is, where it needs to be. Just a little more square. I got it bent as much as I can, really. So I'm gonna start working on installing the new tongue and then welding it on. I need to notch out the top of the channel and the bottom of the channel so I can bend that in, and then I'll have a full piece to weld to. I have about a 1/4 inch that I'm gonna measure out to weld to the outside. I got the tongue underneath the trailer. I'm gonna use the forklift, fork it, lift it up, and then square it off the frame. I'm gonna square it off the 2 front hangers and then go to this hole here because that's a very solid center point of this tongue. We at 115 and 5/8. 115 and 5/8 on the passenger side. We are 1/8 of an inch off. So I'm gonna tack that, and then I can pull that forward just a smidge. But we're looking pretty good right now. So just 1/8 of an inch off. And I wanna have 4-foot tongue for him. Right on the money, 4-foot tongue. All right, let's tack some stuff up. Alright, everything is welded out. I'm just gonna clean it up, paint it black. Here's the welds on the outside. Main welds on the front. Welded on each side as well. Oh, I need to clean this weld, but there's a weld on the outside of there. There's passenger side main welded. I'm gonna just clean up this channel and paint it black. I got wiring going in. Just marking where I need to drill. Everything is drilled, ready for mounting. All right, good, perfect. Let's get this painted black. And one more coat, and then start wiring. Second coat done, let's let it dry, and then start wiring. Working on terminal box. I got the main body ground in, and then I'm gonna run all the new 7-ways into this and run his GPS wiring into this. breakaway kit installed and wired. All wiring is done. Everything's cleaned up. GPS is mounted. Breakaway's mounted. Breakaway switch is mounted. Everything's wired in correctly. Probably put the logo this way. Good. Front all wired up. Let's do left turn, right turn, marker light. Left turn, right turn, and marker lights. Perfect. New safety chains are going on. And driver's side safety chain is on. 7-way is long enough for any truck. This job is done. Cut off the old tongue, put a new tongue on there, new terminal box, new breakaway, new 7-way plug, new 7-way loom, new breakaway kit, new breakaway switch, new safety chains. Everything on the front is brand new. Everything's welded out. I was even able to get the trailer frame itself bent a little bit more, but I got it down a good amount so it's not tweaked anymore. But this job's done. I'm on to the next.